Hey guys, good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up now, and yeah, today is going to be really exciting. I have a bunch of things that I need to complete, and today I think I'm going to do a challenge video. And today is also going to be hectic because of that. Because the challenge that I'm going to do is a bit difficult, and I think it is going to be hectic. It is much more related to studies, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And yeah, the morning is also so lovely. Now I'm just gonna go quickly get freshen up and I'll meet you guys after that. In my world, don't worry, darling. So yes, here in Maharashtra we have shops open only till 11 o'clock in the morning. So yes, now I'm just going to go buy some groceries. And yeah, we have weekend lockdown also for Saturday and Sunday. So the shops will be closed for the entire 2 days. So now I think I'm just going to go buy some groceries for the home. So yeah, that is something we are going to do now. So yes, now we are all set to go. In my world, don't worry, darling. I just smile, cause you're by my side. So yes guys, we are back home now, and now I think I will just explain to you what is today's video all about. So yes, couple of days back I just ordered a history wall chart, and back then I did not have time to study that, but today I thought maybe I can just take it out, stick it on the wall, and we can study that. So the challenge would be I will definitely try and complete the entire chart in one day, because yeah, I have studied history before but I cannot recall all of that. So maybe the history wall chart will really help me. And yes, if I bought this from Amazon, I think the price was around 150 to 175, and I thought that the wall chart for this price will be really good. So now I will just show you the wall chart. I have unboxed it, but still I will just open that for you and show you guys how the wall chart is and where we are going to stick that definitely. So yeah, I will be talking about the wall chart much more about in the further part of the video, but I will let you know, is it worth buying, is it nice, the pros and the cons, everything. Because yeah, I think that you guys watch this video and the video should be beneficial for you also. So yeah, that is the plan for now. So yes, this is the wall chart. This is how the packing was, and I think basically the packing was really good, because yes, the wall chart did not get damaged at all. So here we have, like, this is a hard packing, so you know this can really help to keep the map really good. And inside also there was another plastic package that can keep this wall chart really nice. And as you guys can see, this is the wall chart. This is history of India, and basically the things that are covered in this are ancient history, medieval history, and also the modern history. And a few like the main important events are also covered in this. So yeah, this is a nice thing, and the entire thing is given in like a timeline, so you can know what happened after what. It is really difficult to stick this up on the wall, so now we are going to figure out something with the cello tapes. So yeah, that is it guys, and I will show you a close-up of this once I stick it up on the wall. So yes guys, and yeah, and I do this a lot now. Anyways, I don't know, anytime I need to just finish up a clip, I just go like so that's funny. So basically now I need to find out cello tapes. So where are cello tapes in my house? So yeah, I will definitely need to ask my small sister, because every time she is the one doing craft the entire day. So yeah, she should definitely have that. We'll just ask her. So as before figuring out how to put that on the wall, I should definitely see where to put that on the wall. So I think maybe here will be a better place. So yeah, let's see now how to put that on the wall. So it's definitely the first thing that I need to do is I need to roll it other side, so it will not just go like this always. So yeah, that is the first thing that we are going to see. And you can see her, she is Sania, she is an idiot. Anyways.
Stop. I'm doing your hair.
Pakade.
So appreciate me.
Okay, much better now. So now we need to just put sellotapes behind this, so we can just put and stick it up on the wall. So this is how it looks once I have just put all the sellotapes, and I definitely have wasted a lot of it. You don't need this much, you can just put it like on the four corners from the other side. But yeah, I thought I can do it like this because I'm going to remove this once I'm done studying that. So yeah, now let's just put it on the wall.
Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together.
It's looking good.
So yes, after seeing this on the wall now, I'm a little bit terrified. Like, would I be able to complete this today? Because yeah, it is a really big chart. Anyway, so now I think I'm just gonna go take a shower and we'll be back and we'll start studying after that. It is really too big, yeah. So yes, I just had a shower and now I'm all set to start grinding. So I'm just going to take all the resources that I have for history, all the notes that I have made from the past 1 year. I'm just going to take all the notes, sit there and start grinding. So yes, now I have all the notes here. This is a huge pile of books. OMG. I don't know when I studied this. I don't think I have studied all of them, but yeah, today I think we are gonna definitely look in a lot of notes from these. So yes, without wasting any further time, let's just start doing our work. So now I will give you a quick close-up of the wall chart. So the wall chart starts here from ancient India. If we go down here, we have medieval India, and in between here we have modern India. So this wall chart basically covers all parts of our history, that is ancient, medieval and modern history. And I bought this wall chart from Amazon, and this is made by Plus Pramesh e-library, and you can buy this bottle chart from Amazon also, and you can also buy this from their official website, that is pluspramesh.in. I think the price of this is around 145 to 175. You can just check it on Amazon. And yeah, this is the wall chart. This is the close-up of the wall chart. You can just get to know the quality of the wall chart. The print, everything is really nice. So yeah, this is the wall chart that we have to study today. So I just want to show the quick setup. I have my whiteboard right up here. After that we have the wall chart. Here I have my laptop, and because I have a bunch of things, bunch of notes right up here, I have bigger notes, and I have my handwritten notes right up here, so I can just have a look at what I'm going through. I have my spectrum. So yeah, a little change in outfit because I was not feeling like pink today. I thought maybe we can go for red. So yeah, I thought I will change that. So I'm going to start by modern history because yeah, modern history has a lot more weightage than ancient and medieval history. We'll go later on to ancient and after that medieval. So yeah, that's the plan. So let's get started.
Saturdays back in '05, flip-flops with the socks high. My dad was driving me down to the diamond. Backseat, and I thought I was gonna make it big time. Maybe it's crazy to think we're the same kid. It's just circles in my head. I've been running after something I know money couldn't help. Always starving for my purpose. Maybe I ain't found it yet. Honest questions with my mother. All these things you think you want, will they ever be enough? Looking for the answers where they used to be. At the center of it all for everyone to see. If I lose all the attention and I own nothing, it's just her and me on a bench in the street with Dolly underneath. That would be enough for me. That would be enough for me. On the outside, with dark bags under bright eyes. Maybe I'm tired cause my expectations are too high. The truth is, right now, I've got everything I need, but it's never been my nature to accept complacency. It's just circles in my head. I'm still running after.
So as we are done with the first session, and I thought maybe I can come here and address to you guys how much I have completed till now. Till now we have came till the Anglo-Maratha wars, and yeah, I have used the chart for almost 2 to 3 hours and I am really loving it. I made the history notes back then around 6 to 7 months ago, and now whenever I am seeing the keynotes on the wall chart now, I am remembering every story that I have read back then, and that is a really good thing. This chart is best if you want to revise history, because the history is something now you need to just be constantly in touch of history, or otherwise it will just vanish from your head. So I thought maybe I can just give it a try, and obviously the experience is going really good. I am really remembering every story, and I am also remembering the shortcuts that I have made back then. So yeah, that is a good thing. I am really happy because of that. So yes, that is the first instant review about that. I will be sharing all the pros and cons about that in the further part of the video when I have been much more familiar with the wall chart. But yeah, till now we have came till Anglo-Maratha wars. So yes, now I am just going to take a cheeky little break, just sit here for some time, listen to some music, you know, just rewind my mind, and after that we'll be back near the wall chart after a few minutes. So yes guys, I'm back now, and we are just going to start from the second Anglo-Maratha wars. I have just marked here, as you guys can see. Yeah, so we are just going to start from here. We have completed right from here, from the I started modern history from here, from the death of Aurangzeb. We have done all of this, and now we are going to start from here where we left off. So yeah, let's just do that.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up in paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the
So as you guys can clearly see, now it's almost sunset time, and I am really happy with how much I have completed till now. I have come till the revolt of 1857, and I think it is pretty huge. I have completed a bunch of things, and we still have the entire night to ourselves. We can literally complete the chart, and now it's time for iftar, so I'm just gonna go do that, and after coming back I will just share with you some pros and cons of the wall chart. I will just let you know what are the advantages or what are the disadvantages if you want to buy this. So I'll just tell you guys about that. So yeah, I'll be back in few minutes. So let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons of the wall chart. One of the biggest advantage of using this wall chart is that it helps you to understand a timeline of all the events that happened in our history. For example, when we are studying from the book, we get to know all the events according to the groups. But here we get to know all the events according to the timeline. And the second advantage of the wall chart will be that all the information that is given in this wall chart, it is very specific and it is very keyword oriented. So yeah, that will really help you to remind these things in the exam. And one drawback that I found in the wall chart is that the quality of the paper could have been a little more thick, the quality could have been a little more nicer, but anyways the information that they are providing is really good, just the paper quality could have been better. And yeah, if you guys are interested to buy this wall chart, I will just put the Amazon link and the link to the website from which I bought in the description box below. If you're interested, you can just give it a look. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that yes, I am really exhausted, and but still I am really loving going through this. And yes, just wanted to say I am exhausted. Still, we are going to try and complete this challenge. At least try to complete modern and post independence history. So yeah, hopefully you'll be able to do that.
None of them good enough to keep around. Probably why I don't let her go down. But somehow gave it all to you. I'm hard to read when I'm in my feelings. Basically, yeah, that's all the time. Something you do, it gives me healing. You make the worst things fine. Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know both getting older. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. Just a little less.
So yeah, I think now I am definitely in a need of coffee because it has been a lot of history in my head. So yeah, we are just gonna go make some coffee and we'll be back in a few minutes.
All the colors in you make me feel we got this, even when the good's hard to see. You where I wanna be. Won't you stay with me? Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know both getting old. We don't got time.
So yes, now I have my coffee and this is going to help me to go through last one session that we are remaining for history, and now hopefully we'll be able to complete the entire modern history, the last part of the modern history and also the post independence. So yeah, I am pretty sure we are going to complete that, and yeah, this is something that I really needed now. So yeah, now as I have my coffee, I should definitely get back to that.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom?
So yes guys, I'm done with modern India, and yeah, modern India consists of almost 70% of the entire history that we have. So yeah, I'm so happy to complete that. And yes, I will just show you on the map just to have a quick reference about how much I have completed. After that, I am planning to do a post independent India, because yeah, that is a really short amount of portion and we can just complete that in a really short amount of time. So that is something that we are going to do after this. So as you guys can see here, I started from here, from the death of Aurangzeb. I just went all the way up to here. Basically it starts from here, but I thought maybe I can just start from here, from death of Aurangzeb. So I just went all up to here, this entire row, and from this up to here, 1947 Independence Act passed. So yeah, I'm done with that. Now I'm just going to do this small part, post independence, and then I think we will be done for the day.
just lost my mind. Now I'm losing time. Can't sleep at night. So cold, baby. You say you love me, then you hate me. How do I let it happen? You build me up and tear me into tiny pieces every single time. You've got me all tied up. You've got your hands around my throat. You've got me in over my head. I'm drowning in the undertow. I've got my fingers crossed. I'm begging, baby, let me go. You've got this captivating touch that's got me coming back for more, more. Your eyes cut like a knife, piercing through my.
So yes guys, I'm done with the post independent India also, and I just want to say we have completed modern India and also the post independent India. So I think we are quite able to complete the challenge. I could not do ancient India and medieval India, but I think it is okay because I have done a majority of the portion and almost I have completed modern India. That is a huge thing. I can complete ancient and medieval history later on also, but yeah, the main part is done. I know we cannot do the entire challenge properly, but yes, I am really happy with whatever I have achieved, and I just wanted to share that the wall chart is really helpful. It has really helped me to revise everything. So yeah, I just want to suggest you guys, if you guys want to give it a try, definitely do. The quality of information that you have in this chart is really good. The key points are also really good. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. So yes, this was it for this video. I hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you think about the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.